Hi, in this lecture I will teach you about compound object and first one is morph. So I am creating some one object sphere and morph is converting an object to other object with animation. So I am clicking right click and editable poly. Press shift, move this here nearby and select vertex and scale tool, scale all and press W for move tool and again copy this with shift key and something change like this and press R, scale. Now again copy and select vertex and select this area and press R and scale and keep in mind uh, vertex count should be same on every object. Vertex and polygon count should be same. So I am just modify the object, not include or exclude vertex or uh, polygons. So these five type animation I have given. Now add key on 25. Go to the compound object. Select morph. Pick target 1. Now go to some next key and pick target number 3 and next pick target 4 and next on 100 pick target 5. Now select this and select move tool. Select all four object, right click and hide selection. So selected object will be hide. Now animation, I have been given animation this type. Now I can play the animation this. So see the different, see the morphing effect. This is morphing effect. So I am saving this file for you. Desktop morph and I am giving other example on teapot. Select standard primitive, select teapot and right click, convert to editable poly. Now duplicate this and the convert to editable poly is compulsory. Now I am animating the lid, and next copy and element, select this, next copy, okay, select element, because elements are these part of object, like this, and rotate this. Now I can morph all object, select this, and select a key, and go to morph, select pick object. Now next key, pick object. Now next key, pick object. Now I can hide these whole objects. Right click and hide selection. Now I am playing the animation. See the animation. So you can use this type animation as you wish on any object like box or torus. I am saving this file, Control S, and now morph is finished here. I hope you understood morph. Now thanks. Hi. Next lecture is on scatter. Scatter two object, one is small and one is large for surface, and small object will cover whole uh, faces, vertex of big object. I am creating a plane, and some increasing some vertices like this, and giving it a modifier noise. This is noise, and increase value of z like this, and y, and x, z value more increasing, and fractal like this, and I am creating a AC extended foliage, a tree like this, and create tree. Tree is too large. I am increasing the decrease the height like this. Press G for maximize the object. Height I am giving 20. Now keep it viewport campy mode never, so no cover on this object, because if I click on when not selected, So object will show like this. I have to click on never, so tree will show in real type. I am giving a scatter compound object, a scatter, and a pick distribution object. This is distribution object. Click on this, so tree will uh, uh, attach the object, and I am going to modify panel duplicates like this. So tree will show this like this, and I am giving a value 0 or 1, and now clicking an area, even, skip and random faces, along edges, all vertices, so it will cover all vertices of a plane like this. This is like a forest, this type. You can create a good forest like this. And so this is the scatter command. Other example I am giving, creating a sphere on top, and creating a cone. This is cone. Now moving the cone here to here, and now I am giving scatter pick distribution object. Click on this, and all vertices, so object will become like this, or all edge midpoint, all face centers, volume. In volume I am pressing F3, so in volume cover the inside of sphere. I am giving all vertices, all edges, so object will be shown like this. So you will create some interesting design, and send to me. Now scatter is finished, so I am closing this lecture. Thanks. Hi, this lecture is on conform or compound object. Conform, I am creating a sphere, and one is plane, and plane will be stick on the sphere. I am changing the color of plane. Now I am set the position, go to compound object, conform, pick wrap to object, click on sphere, see the effect, plane will stick on sphere. Now you can remove this from there to here. See the result, plane is stick on the sphere. Now I can change the color, so see the effect. If you have a bottle or a product, so you can create. I am creating a bottle. like this, and giving it length modifier, select axis and move this. So object is creating like this, and I am creating a plane like this, and remove the plane from inside to outside. Now set the position. If you not set the position, object will stick half, and half is outside, and some object is inside. So set the position like this, and scale the object little bit small. Now I am going to scatter compound object, sorry, conform, pick wrap to object, click on this. So see the effect, and you can go to modify panel and increase the standoff distance, so plane will become outside. This type, see the effect. And if I am giving noise and plane, making like uneven surface, length segment 30, width segment 30, and press G for maximize the viewport, so viewport, sorry, object, and go to modify panel and give it to noise, and press Z, and Y, and give it fractal. So object will be shown type this, and increase the G value, and fractal. Now I am creating a plane or star. I am making a star, and give it sweep modifier, SW, sweep. So star will be shown like this, and you can increase the length and width, and now in perspective view I am giving a sketch, sorry, compound object, conform, click pick wrap to object like this. So star, um change the shape of star. Now going to modify panel and standoff distance like this. So result is not good. I am deleting the star, and I am creating a plane. like this. And go to compound object and conform, click pick rect to object, see the effect, and small plane changes the shape according the big plane. I am giving the value of standoff, see the result. So you can wrap object like this. I am saving this file, Control S, and conform. You will open it and R&D the file and understanding the file. Now I am closing this lecture. Thanks. Hi. This lecture is on connect compound object. I am creating a sphere. So two sphere will be connect with command. Okay, and scaling this. Now right click and convert to editable poly. Also this, and select a polygon. Select polygon and delete polygon. Select. Now deselect the polygon. Select this object. Select polygons and delete polygons. Now these two objects will connect. Now I am going to compound object, connect, pick operand, click on this. So object will connected like this, and you can change the value like tension, segment, and tension, and you can create some thing different like building, creating a box, giving height, and give it some more height. This is width, this is height, and give it taper. No, first give the segment, press F4. So see the segments like this, and modify taper T. This is taper, and increase value of amount and curve like this. This is one building, and select and move. Okay, this is another building. Select, right click and convert to editable poly. Also this, and select polygons. Select polygon as you wish and delete. Deselect the polygon and select the object, polygon, select and delete. Now you can connect two buildings. Pick operand this. So connected to object or to building like this. Go to modify panel and segment. If you clear this shape, so tension, decrease the tension like this or this. So this is connect compound object. You can connect any two object. One other example is one cylinder and one box. Select Shift A and click other object to center align. Select this. Go to perspective view and select color. Change the color of this box and make the segments more like this, and this give distance. Now I am converting to editable poly. Also this convert to editable poly. Select the box polygons and select this tool. Select object and select like this. See the downside also selected all downside polygons. Select deselect this with alt key and delete this, and deselect polygon. Select this and select polygons and delete polygon. Now go to compound object, connect pick current connect pick operand like this, and go to segments. This is not in center, so something different, and make tension like this. So you can create a bottle type object, and this is a bridge. This is smoothing group ends. So see the difference. So you can create something new with this connect command. So I am closing this lecture. Thanks. Hi. Now next lecture is on blob mesh. This is blob mesh. Like liquid, you can create some type liquid, and I am creating a box for showing you how it look. Three, three segments. Press F4, see the segments, and a blob will create on every vertex. So I am creating a blob mesh on anywhere in viewport. Select move tool, go to a modify panel and pick object. Click on pick or add pick the object. See the blob looks like liquid, and you can also change the size, etc. This is the size, sorry, this is the size, and this is blob mesh like liquid, this type. Also, hi, now I am teaching on boolean next. So it should be create some object like this, and a cylinder like this. Cylinder must be out and cover the box, and go to compound object, and boolean add operand, click on this, and now go to intersect, merge, attach, subtract, insert. You can subtract, and this type is subtract, A and B object apply, retain original material, apply operand material. Now I am giving some other example. I am resetting. Create a sphere, create a box, and create a sphere like this, and move it at this side, and click on the box, select compound object, boolean, add operand, click on sphere. Now intersect, now subtract, see the effect, subtract, sphere hide, and give shape to the box. Now some other example, like sphere and cylinder, shift A for center align, move it to down, and select sphere, go to compound object and boolean, add operand, click on cylinder, now intersect, now subtract, see the subtract effect, hollow in the sphere. Now other I can create another cylinder like this, and center align of sphere like this, and now select the sphere, go to compound object, boolean, add operand, click cylinder, and subtract, see the subtract effect. You can create something good. Now another example, I am creating a cube, size 200, 200, and 200 of this cube. Now I am clicking this higher key, affect pivot only, center to object. So pivot will go to center in the object. You deselect this point, and now uh, duplicate this object for Control V. Now copy. Okay. Now some little bit small 180 and 180 and make it something more 250 like this, and set it center of this box. This is not in center, affect pivot only, center to object. Now shift A, click on another object. Now it is in center. Now rotate this box with angle snap toggle. Click shift 90°. Okay. Now change the color. This is the center box. Change the color and select, and one thing more, one object should be rotate up at upper side with shift key 90°. This is 90°. Okay. These all objects are in center. So select this blue box and go to compound object and boolean, add operand, select one and subtract. Now select blue box again, go to compound object and select boolean, add operand, click on this and subtract, and now again go to boolean, add operand and select this box and subtract. So now you can create this type. For other example, for logo, you can use it for logo, or like Sony TV's logo, you can create something good. So I am saving this file for you, and now this lecture is finished. Thanks. Hi, I am going to teach you shape merge, creating a sphere and creating a shape like a star, and move it outside of sphere like this, and create a sphere, go to compound object, shape merge, pick shape and pick shape. Now see the see on sphere, I am changing the color. Shape is attached with sphere. Now you can select easily with polygon. I am right click, I am doing it, convert it polygon, convert to poly and select the shape. Now you can extrude it. This is extrude and OK. See the effect. And select this, select polygon, select with shift key and clone to element. OK. Now you can change the color of this. Not now. Now select this and select this and clone to object. Okay, now two objects are here. One is this. Select the color. Okay, see the effect. Now other example with cylinder and text. With cylinder, this is a cylinder, and give it height, change the color. Now I am creating a text, and remove height segment. Now take the shape upper side, select this, shift A for center, align. Now move it upside, and now bend modifier B. This is bend modifier, and angle X, and angle is more height, look like this, and text covered all whole the sphere, sorry, cylinder. Select cylinder and go to compound object and shape merge, pick shape, see the effect, and remove outside shape, see the effect, and shape merge, right click on this and convert it to poly. Shape doesn't work because half side is uh, blend, so it is not possible. So I am giving another example, like box, and creating text. Select it on upside of this box, center align and upside. Now select the box, go to compound object, shape merge, pick shape, shape automatic, set on the box like this, and right click and convert to editable poly. Select polygon and text, and now extrude, and you this shape is not good, so this is polygon. Select extrude, this is extrude. Now OK, I had not done OK. Now you can give shell for increase outer surface like this, like this. So this is shape merge. I am saving this file for you. Now finishing the lecture. Hi, compound object is running now, and now next time lecture on terrain. So I have to make some closed lines like this, and I am creating a mountain with using these shapes for a step by step upside. It will create terrain. Small size shape will be on the top, and large shape will be on the bottom. So I am creating this type. Okay, now I am selecting, I am just adjusting these all upside like this. Deselect this with our alt key and deselect this one, and now move, deselect this. Now this is the last, this is upside and this is bottom side. So see the result. Result is half. Now I am creating terrain and press G for remove grids. But before making terrain, I have to attach all shapes. Go to modify panel, attach, 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 and attach. So all shapes are attached in one object. Now I am going to compound object and terrain. So terrain is completed, and give surface on the shapes. Now you can change colors. Go to modify panel and simplification. Use half of points. Use 1/4 of points. 2 time points and 4 time points. No simplification. Color by elevation. So create defaults. So color will show this type, and other options are like this: graded solid, layered solid. See the layered solid like this, step by step. Now I am doing graded solid, and I can change colors. This is down side, bottom side shape. This is upper side. Bottom side I can change color like this. Okay, and modify zone and click second. Click change color. Okay, now modify zone. Color will be changed. Select and color. Okay, click on modify zone, and upper shape is color with color green also, and depends on you. Modify zone. So see the result, and I am pressing F4. So see the segment position. I can use also scatter for making jungle forest, tree. I will create tree on this vertex, or all vertex, so it will create like a forest. And I am creating AC extended foliage, and click on this, but size is very large. I am decrease the size. Now go to scatter, pick distribution object and click on this. So in modify panel, duplicates, see the changes, and also I can duplicate 0, 0 or 1 or 2, 2, and then along edges, all vertices. So see the forest and click F4. So if you render this, so render will be shown like this. Continue. If you give it this, you give in this in light and shadows, so effect will become realistic. So this is terrain for making mountain, and you can create also river around this with making plain like this, and also give plain to noise, making increasing segment 30, and give it to noise, and increase G value 150, and Y value 200, and X value 400, 100. And now fractal, so you can change and create something new as you wish. Now creating a 4, this is you can create river around this, and create large forest. So now I am finishing this lecture and saving this file. Thanks. Hi. Next lecture is on compound object loft. I am creating something, some object, some shape like a circle, and a line, a straight line with shift key like this, and right click to remove the point, and select this circle and go to compound object and loft. This is path and circle is shape. So I want get path. So select on get path and click on path. So shape will be according to line. And if I create rectangle, like this, and both sides are same 50-50, and some smoothness of corner. And now click on this, go to modify panel, and path, this path must be on 40%, so I am creating it 40. And now click on shape. So see the shape will be, this is the start with 40%, which are I put it. Now I am making some other object like Angon. So go select this and go to an modify panel, and create feed the value of 60%. Now get shape, click on Angon, see the effect. Angon and rectangle and circle will create a new shape. Now I am adding a star from 90%. Create a shape and a star, and select this, get shape, click on star, see the effect. So you can create a pillar of a building like this design. And if you going to if you want to make it by manually, it will not possible and not easy to make this by manually. So this is the shortcut command. Loft is very good command, and I am giving some other example like fall ceiling, and I am creating a rectangle of a roof, and some design. This is the rectangle and creating here. Now I am creating a design by line with grid points, not vertex. Close this, and creating some shape like this. Now press S to release the snapping, and now I am selected this shape, uh, and applying command, lock command, get path. This is path. Click on path and see the result. This is, you can make it easily. Also move this, and this is shape. You can change shape after the after apply lock command, and press vertex and select whole vertex, and go to fillet. Like this is smooth. I gave it smoothness, and see the result. This is smooth. So you can create this type design. Now I am teaching you some other example like a star and a line with shift key. Click on right click mouse and click on shape, star shape. Go to compound object and loft, get shape, get path. Path will give the shape of star along path. Now go to modify panel and deformation. Click this button for on scale. So if I move this point, so shape will take shape like this. One side is small, one side is large, like this. And you can also make points on click on this, and if you move this by move tool, so your shape will make this type like this and like this. I am closing this and off the button. Now twist, click on twist. If I move it upper side, so twist will work like this, like this. So this is twist as you wish, you what you want. Now teeter, click on this point. Teeter is applying like this. I am closing this and bevel and click on bevel. So see the effect and create a point in middle or and how many points as you wish, like this and like this. So you can create shape as you wish. So star shape like this, and I am giving some other example. Circle, a big circle and a small circle. I am creating a bottle. So click line and click right click and click on big shape and go to loft, get path, click on path. Now go to modify panel and path will be 80, and now get shape a small circle. So see the effect, and now you can go the 40%. Also you can click on this small shape. Now you can go to this loft and shape and path. You can now change shape and path. So I am clicking on shape, click on this and move as you wish, like this. And you can make it scale like this and like this. You can also scale any object scale, rotate and move any object any side, undo. This must be straight like this. So you can create many more type object as you wish. So these are the example, 3 4 example of loft. So I am saving this file and for you, open and see the effect and take some idea and make something new and send it to me. Thanks. Hi. Next lecture is on compound object, pro boolean. Pro boolean, like I am creating a box and a cylinder, make it large height and copy it. Copies, number of copies, create 1 2 3 4 4 copy and again select all and select it downside. Now 3 copies. So this is the set of like this, and I am going to pro boolean. Boolean and pro boolean is something same. Now I can remove all. I can subtract all cylinder with one command, but boolean have not option like this. So I am creating a pro boolean. Start picking. Click, click, click on every cylinder. But in boolean command, this is not possible. Uh, Possible when you group all the cylinders, so it may possible, but wireframe will uh, damaged in boolean command, and this is the clean object by pro boolean. You can also create a sphere and cylinder. Make it in center by shift A, press G, and now increase the height like this, and affect pivot only and center to object. Pivot will go to center. Now object, make it center. Now rotate by shift key, 4 4 and OK. Now click uh, this cylinder and rotate it by shift key, 4. OK. So you can imagine the result like this and select the sphere and go to compound object and pro boolean. Click start picking. Pick all the cylinders. So sphere will become like this, hollow, and a clean object is made by pro boolean. So I hope you understood this command, and I am saving this file. Now I am closing this lecture. Thanks. Hi, I am now going to teach you in compound objects measure. Measure is useful for a large file and different type of object you can create convert it into one object. I am creating a box and a cone and a sphere, geosphere, like unsmooth. Now cylinder, tube, torus, pyramid, teapot, plane. Now objects are sufficient. Now I am create a measure on anywhere in viewport. So you can convert this object from any object. You can shape change of these all object like this. Go to modify panel. Now pick object, create on this. So it will become cone. Click on this. So this is converted into a sphere and geosphere. When you can animate it and you can change it. First, if you selected it like box, animate it, and last your main object is teapot, so you can convert it into teapot like this, and I am giving it animation like box, and I am rotating it like this and playing. See the animation, and now I am clicking on teapot. So teapot will be rotated. Click on pyramid. Now play. Pyramid will rotate. Now click on torus. Torus will rotate. So you can create your animation from a light object, then replace it by heavy object. So your work will be easy and fast. So I am closing this lecture. Thanks. Hi. Now I am going to compound object and pro cutter. For pro cutter, I am creating a box and plane, one plane here, one plane here. Okay, and then select two planes and with shift key I am rotating it like this. Okay, and copy it. Now select one plane, go to compound object, pro cutter, and on these four options 1, 2, 3, and 4. Auto extract max, explode by elements, stock inside cutter, cutter outside stock. So after this on, click this pick cutter object, select a plane, pick cutter object, this, and this. Now pick stock object. Now select the box. So see the result. If I remove the planes, so box will cut it like this, like this. This is a problem by software. So you can cut object by adjust plane, and object will cut easily. I am giving you some other example, like creating a box and a plane, and now plane is here, and I am increasing the segments of plane 20 and giving noise modifier z value, increase z value, y value 50, x value 40. Now fractal, and copy this downside. Okay. Now with selected this plane, go to compound object and pro cutter, and on these four options, select pick cutter object, select this pick cutter object. Now pick stock of object, click on box, see the result. I am removing planes, and see the box are cutted like a plane. You can see this is the very good example for, and you can create some uneven bragged wall or stone. And now I am giving other example. I am creating a sphere. Press Z and upside the grid. Now creating a plane, and segment 5 and 5. Say Shift A for center. Now rotating by snap toggle. Uh, 6. Okay. So plane is covered of sphere to the sphere. Select one plane and see the plane's position. All sphere is covered by plane. Now I am going to command of pro cutter. Now on these two options, pick cutter object, create, click, and pick. All objects are picked. Now pick stock object, click on sphere. Now remove the planes, see the result. See the result. Sphere has been cutted at the position of planes. I am deleting this and select this, and I am giving I am press G. Grid, where is grid in perspective? Grid is too small now. It's okay. Now I am giving uh, set dynamic rigid body, and now I am going to animation, mass effects, simulation, bake all object, see the result, and cutted objects are looking nice. So keys are done in place. See the result, it is looking nice. You can create something different or something like this. So I am saving this file and closing this lecture. Thanks.